everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, hi, I'm Charul, hello, and I make videos on beauty, skincare, makeup, everything. So make sure you are subscribing to my channel, hit the bell button if you haven't, so you get notified every time I upload a video. And I make videos on every new single video on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so make sure you subscribe. And for this video I created this look over here. It's natural, it's glowy, it's practical. If you're wondering, we don't do a lot of makeup on a regular basis, but being a YouTuber, being a makeup artist, I just tend to do makeup every day because I want to, I have to, I need to, and I feel incomplete without doing makeup. And so yeah, let's just start it. This look is so simple, by the way, so beginner friendly also. Okay, so without any further talking, because I talk a lot, let's just jump into the tutorial. Okay, so I've done my skincare routine, but only moisturizing my skin is left. I'm gonna be using the same moisturizer. This is a L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Anti-Shine Mattifying Moisturizer. So I've shown this moisturizer in my previous video. I've done a whole detailed video about this one. So if you haven't watched, I'm gonna be link it in the description box below, so you guys can watch it. And I'm using the same moisturizer. Okay, so primer, I'm gonna be using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. It's a blurring primer, so it is good for oily skin because oily skin have larger pores as compared to normal skin. So I'm just gonna be using this part of my face because I have slightly large pores here on this area. So just using this here on my T-zone as well because I want my makeup to be last long. And usually my T-zone gets oily, and dragging it to my entire face. Okay, so moving on to foundations. I'm using the Fit Me foundation. Sorry, the labeling has been ripped off, but I will just link the shade name and everything in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Set my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact in the shade Shell. Okay, so I don't use concealers on a regular basis because I find it like it's too much for daily and it's not even that practical. Okay, so I'm gonna be setting only my under eyes and T-zone because that's where my foundation move, and I want to just seal these places only because other parts of my face is like normal, so it doesn't required. Okay, so coming towards eyes, I'm gonna be starting with my eyebrows and just lightly making my eyebrows very slightly, making some strokes on the area where I have space left. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Oatbo's 135 40s eyeshadow palette, and this has amazing shades, as you can see. It has peach tones, some browns, neutrals, light brown, and darker shades, blue in this side, and many like everyday neutral shades. So it is a good beginner friendly palette with lots of colors in it to choose from. So you can just go ahead with this palette if you're finding a good palette for beginners. So this one is here. This is the shade 01. I'll definitely link all the prices and everything down below, so you can check it out. Okay, so to start from, I'm gonna be taking this light brown shade to my crease with on a blending brush. Okay, so in a smaller blending brush like this, I'm gonna be taking this darker brown, a slight darker brown eyeshadow to just darken my outer V. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the previous blending brush and blend all that in to make it look seamless. Okay, so in a flat brush, I'm gonna be taking this peachy shade over here for my lids, and it has slightly chunks of golden glitter. It makes it look even more pretty. Okay, so as you can look closely, it gives a nice foil look, which is very great. So I'm just gonna be now highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone. I'm gonna be using this light shade over here to do that. Okay, so for liner, I'm gonna be taking my favorite one over here. This is the Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. The tip is so thin that it's very easier to make even the thinnest wing liner. So that's why it's my favorite. And I'm gonna be making a very thin wing, small thin wing, more practical for every day. Okay, so I don't like to put kajal on regular basis. Instead, I'm gonna be curling my lashes and applying a good coat of mascara. Okay, so I'm going to complete my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so for face, I'm gonna be using the Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette. This has all the things, blush, contour, highlight, everything. So it is perfect. This peachy shade over here as my blush on, and it's very natural and very everyday wear. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using this shade, and this is very subtle, very natural, very glowy, so it's perfect for every day. The best thing about this is not very beaming or very chunky. It has no particles, so it is perfect. If you don't want a very chunky, very beaming highlighter, this one is for you. Let me just show you how glowing it is. Can you see this? So glowing. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Alice Plus Olivia Collections lipstick. This is the shade 660 Kissed. This is like one of the perfect shades for everyday wear. So the packaging is so cute. Just take time and appreciate the packaging. It looks so sturdy, and this is the color. It is so creamy and so comfortable to wear every day long, and it has a good stay, but as compared to liquid lipstick, quite a less. But this is amazing for everyday wear, and it also smells very nice. It smells like chocolate. So I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it also. So comment on your opinions on the comment section below. All the link of all the products that I have used in the video will be linked down in the description box. So don't forget to check it out there as well. And don't forget to like this video. Bye.